Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to test the Huawei Band 2 Pro in the Steam Room. Now Steam Room basically has steam in it. It's completely filled with steam. So devices which generally are able to resist water, they are not able to resist steam that well because the steam generally goes into all the cracks, whatever is available, and it goes in. So that's why we are doing the steam room test. So let's see if the Huawei Band 2 Pro passes the steam room test or not. So let's go ahead and see the video.
Okay, so we're going to do the steam room test now. So I'm sitting in the steam room, just switched it on. So the steam is going to start now. So I'm going to be here for around 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll see if this survives the steam or not. Because in the pamphlet it says that steam may go in and damage the band, so be careful. So let's see if the steam room is going to affect it or not. Let me just show you. Okay, so it's working. It's working, at least for now. Now I'll see you again in 10 to 15 minutes. Now the recording is going to continue. I'm not going to switch it off, but you won't be able to see much. So hopefully this survives. So it's been 10 minutes. Let's go. So it's been 10 minutes that I've been in the sauna. Actually 11 minutes 39 seconds. So let's see if it's still working. Okay, still works. It's still working, nothing has happened to it. I'll keep testing it. Let's see if it still works fine or not.
Okay, so you've seen the video. Now I've already tested it in the steam room for 6-7 times, maybe more than that. I don't even remember now. Nothing really happens to it. It's solid shut, so it's safe. Nothing has happened to it. It's already swim proof fan. It doesn't say it is steam proof because in the manual and all it said that not to take it in steam because because of the heat and stuff, it may get bad. So hopefully it doesn't go bad in future. Right now nothing has happened to it. 6-7 times nothing has happened to it, so it's kind of safe. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.